Here we go. If you guys have been watching these videos lately, you knew that this move was going to happen, and it stopped directly at our purple box that we have drawn for months. We were ready for this move. As soon as it broke out of the range, we knew what was going to happen. So if you guys want to stay ahead of the curve with us, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description below, one being the Discord. It is the place to be. We stay ahead of the market collectively. We figure out these moves before they are going to happen. Definitely join the Discord. Definitely subscribe to the channel. And let's go through what we think the market's going to do next. All right, so 21. Oh, by the way, when you had this multi-crossover up here, that's when it let you know to get short. We had this multi-crossover, and we got short all the way down to here to where our purple box is. Some of us took profits here at this purple box, but as soon as we broke down, that's when you knew to get short again. You know what I mean? I mean, we respected this purple box here. Right here, we found some support, found some resistance, hit this purple box twice, found some support. As soon as you broke through those purple boxes, you went down to the next one. These purple boxes that I draw are for a reason. There are ways that I get these levels that I'm not going to discuss right now, but there's a lot of variables that go into these purple boxes. All right, so your 21's curling up right now. Right now, you did come up to this purple box right here, and where I have this red line that you can't see and got rejected. Fell through the 50. Now you're stopping at the 21. Basically, I have 3 alerts right here. You can kind of tell what I'd be doing. I have one at this low, one at this low, and one at this high. I'm not going to share my trades, but you can kind of figure out what's going on right there. If we break this last low where this alarm is, I think we're going to break this low, and I think we're going to break this low, but we're probably going to stop at each one of them for a bounce. So definitely pay attention right here. We are very close. I mean, we're at an inflection point right now. I do not think that Bitcoin breaks 18,400. So if we do break this last high, I do think that's where we're going to go, but I don't think we break that. That 100 is going to work its way down. So by the time we get there, that 100 is going to be right at the bottom of this purple box. I think that's where we get rejected from. We might have a wick somewhere in here, but I think we would break down from that point. If we even get up there, it looks like we could be breaking down now. Because if we break the 21 on a closure, we're probably going to break this low. All right, we're probably going to break that low if we break this 21, and we're right there right now. All right, so bullish case is that we do break that and come up to 18,400. Probably get a rejection from there. 100 will probably work its way down. We could even get a wick if the 100 ain't down there right now, or down there at that point. We could get a wick up to it, but honestly, I think we would get rejected from the 18,400 region. All right, so right now your RSI is crossing its signal line to the downside, testing that neutral median line. Looks like we're trying to break this 21. We're about to find out live stream what's going to happen. MACD crawling over strong. Net positive momentum's decreasing on the histogram. Man, I hope this really doesn't break down before I'm done with this video. I might have to go set up a trade real quick. I'm going to hurry this video up. All right, so yeah, if we break that, coming down to here, if we break 15,650, if we break 15,650, next stop is 16,5. After that is 14. All right, so let's move on to Ethereum. By the way, once again, if you guys are liking this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the Discord and the links in the description below. So Ethereum popped down, found some support on our red box, came back up to the top of it, came down, had a little bit of a bear trap, came back up. Now we're bouncing around in our red box that we have had drawn for months. We've had this purple box drawn since all the way back here. It's when we had our red box drawn. See, it almost tested it there, but we knew this was our line in the sand. So then we rode on top of it, for a while, and then we're back in it. So basically, if you break the bottom of it, you're probably going to come down to this last low at 1175. But honestly, I think you're going to come down to 1,000. And look where look. Remember we were talking about 1,000 for months? All right. We hit 1,073. So front ran it, call me wrong, whatever. I was off a little bit. I thought we were going to $1,000. I mean, if you as you see right here, this was where my line was. So I was off a little bit. I was. All right. So your MACD, you're coming down for a fresh cross. Positive momentum's decreasing strong on the histogram. RSI below its signal line coming to test the neutral median line, getting rejected from the bullish control zone after you had bearish divergence. All right, so the bearish divergence already played out, but 21's curling over and it looks like you're trying to break it. So you're probably going to come down to this last low at 1173. If you break that, you're probably going to 1,000. All right, so let's move on to Solana. Sorry I'm hurrying this video up. I really have a lot to do. I got a trade I need to make. I need to get that set up. And I got some other shit I need to do. We will be making a video in the morning, though, and it will be longer. We'll go more into depth. All right, so Solana, on the other hand, had a bad move down. Bad move down. But now we're getting quite the bounce. 21's curling up, your 50's curling up. I mean, you're being held up by the 50 right now. Your RSI is trying to get in that bullish control zone. MACD, fresh cross to the zero line, positive momentum stable. BBWP is high, but your BBWP is going down as the price action's going up, which makes me feel like this is a big corrective bounce. We might get up to $23.30, $23. I'd say $23. Might get up there, but I think we get rejected. I think that's the end of this rally, where the 100 is going to come in. I think we get rejected from the 100. So watch that 100. This is the 100 on the 1 hour, the SMA. Watch that level, because I think that's where we get rejected from, somewhere around that. All right. Bullish case is that we break the 100 at 23. You know, we'll say if you break $23, I think you'd come up to $26. I really don't think that's going to happen. If you break this 21 at about 18.30, all right, you're probably going to come down to this last low at 12.32, and then we come back to it. All right, because, I mean, this thing could go to $10. This thing could go a lot lower than what I originally thought. I do think we're going down to those levels once Bitcoin breaks down. Once again, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description below. Join the damn Discord. It is the place to be. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you tomorrow.